Good morning, people. We're back, man, to another episode in the Rawa Delta, close to Namosi. We are out this morning to find something to eat for lunch. You can see the expert of this area here.
Yeah.
Look.
Today we're going to go get some lalambe. That's different types of otter, like it's the small brother or the sister, or maybe the mother of nature.
Oi.
Now we're going up the hill to get it and come back, get some coconuts to cook lalambe.
Oh, it's called a lalam.
Yeah. We call it lalambe, but I don't know what other people call it.
Oi. Mangai chinana lalambe. Very muddy, man.
Yeah.
Oi.
As you can see the front, the skin, like it's been dead for few weeks.
Oi.
See the cells here. Oh, this water is very cool. Yeah, man. It touches the bone marrow. Yeah. Really, very cool.
Different types of, I think it's called wild fern, and this is the talambe.
Lalambe.
Talambe. Lalambe. It's just one kind of it. It's not the same as
Otter.
what we the episode we did with Uncle Bill. This is a different kind. Lalambe. So where can you find these plants?
In the forest
Night.
or beside the creek.
Oi.
Yeah. Like it needs to be stay close somewhere wet.
Oi, somewhere wet.
Yeah, wet. So that it can make you feel very, what's it called? Very alive.
Oi, very bulus.
Very bulus. So when you see like this, oh, you know, oh, this one is bulus. It's like this. If like this done, oh, this one might taste. Oh, it's very good, very lovely. There,
Oi.
yeah. Cita sa Iscariote and Lazarus there.
Oi, Lazarus is here.
Yeah, there.
Oi. Oi.
This one, I don't know where this one came from. See, when they see us, they started running.
Oi.
I don't know what they're running for. I think they're running for their life.
Oi, Lazarus and
Cita sa Iscariote there.
oi cheetah. Cheetah one goal.
Cita when you go along there, that's the Oh, this is the mother.
Oi.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, mother, don't look at us like this. Uniform 2G2, mother. There. See the kavika trees there?
Oi.
Yeah. There's two different types of kavikas. One is the normal one, the long one. The other one is the kavika apple, it's like the apple.
Oi.
And you can see the guava there.
Which one is the most tasty kabika?
Oh,
It tastes the same.
yeah, it is the same. Only the looks are different.
Oi.
Yeah. Same seed. As you can see the plants for the lalande.
Oi.
Yeah. This one. This is the lalambe, the brother, small brother of the otter, otter michi. See, this one is very good, this kind.
Oi.
Woo, very crunchy. We make the coconut milk, the roll. See, it's like this. There, and you have to break it from the soft stem, not from the bottom, the hard one.
Oi.
The middle like this. Yeah, it should make the sound. And that's the right one.
Oi.
Yeah. If you take it out like this, no sound. Oh, my brother. Watch out. You eat that one. Same time, Kalas. That one, the balambala. Yeah. Oh, see?
A lot, eh?
Yeah, man. Because people, they just went to that place down there. It's very near
Oi.
to them. But as you can see, this one, it's not that far. But we have to climb up the hill. And then you can see the water. Here. Ooh, the lalambe, man. Not the otter people. See? They are very green. And by the way, you can see it, you can know it's very crunchy too.
You can see some people has been here.
Huh? Yeah. That
Harvested.
was like 2 months ago.
Oi.
Maybe.
And who taught you about the lalambe?
Huh? Oh, my mother.
Oh, your mother.
From my mother and from my grandmother.
But these ones are too big. Congo.
No, not that one.
Oi.
That one you eat it like this. It's like you eating one.
Cap.
No, Cap. Cap, remember the miss. This one is this kind. It's like very nice.
Oi.
Like this is the right one. The right time you have to pick it, to take it. Just boil the water. Take out the leaves. Only the stem up to here.
Oi.
Then you have to break it like this. Put it with the leaf. Not you take the whole thing and you put it in the pot.
Oi, oi.
No. You have to take out the leaves and then.
But you'll show us the process, eh?
Yes, I'll show you. I'll do it.
And what we're gonna have it with? You said meat.
Yeah, the meat, the coconut. Whoa, very, very light. This one, only some of us always come up here.
Oi.
Only the feet one, eh?
Mm.
But the lazy ones, they just come there.
Where we harvested the other day.
Yes, that one. See? But this one is good. You see, it's in the forest. Then it's in the morning. Ooh, very cool.
You guys have other otters here as well, or this is the main?
We have the otter too. Otter michi. Same place too down there.
Oi.
Yeah. But not plenty otter michi.
Oi.
Only the lalambe. Plenty. See the beer. This is the beers.
Yeah. Why?
And that is the walai. Oh, when you're going into the forest, you're thirsty. You have to cut it up. And it's a one shot, not a tick tick. It's a one shot. 1, 2, then you take it up, drink it.
Oi.
Make the 2 shot. It will taste different.
Oi.
Yeah.
It's like the jungle water bottle.
Yes, you know, like in that movie, Rainbow.
Why?
Yeah, Sylvester Stallone.
People will have the Fijian rainbow here.
No, Fijian Rainbow. This one no gun, no. Oh, see. Lalambe here.
Plenty. Eh? And you're right, they live close to like streams and wet places.
Yeah. See, if you take, we're going to cook this today. You see my mother and my auntie up there, they'll come, they'll run down, Cuisine.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to. $5 for a serve. Joking. $5 serve, everybody busy. See. All this place here, all the lalande. People, if you want some lalande, you can just contact us. We can bring you, but you have to do it your own process.
Oh.
Sorry, you won't be there to make it because we have other plans too to do.
But this tastes best with michi, fresh coconut milk. Or can
michi, or even you can just cook it in the hot water, not full cook.
Oh.
And you take it out, bring the lemon, squeeze the lemon on top of it, and one sunbell, the chili tuna. Open, put it tomatoes, dhania or coriander, mix it together. Oh, and you eat it. Boy, just like in heaven. But you still on earth,
Yeah.
Oh, see this one, very long time. Nobody come and pick it up.
Yeah, because you have to go up the hill.
Make sure people remember this is the lalande, not the otter.
Oi. Lalande.
Lalande. If you go in the market, you want to buy for it, you ask if they sell lalande. Like when I went to Laos last month, in Laos they have the otamichi, not the lalande. And I was telling them about the lalande. They don't even know what's the lalande.
Oi.
Yeah.
But you said to me that the Laon gang, they had the otamichi, but they didn't know how to cook it.
Yeah, they didn't know how to cook it. But that time we bring it and we cook it. We do the meat and everything when we put on the table like this. Oh, same time that one finished first.
Plenty there, but they don't know how to cook it.
Yeah, plenty.
Oi.
They don't know how to cook it and how to do the process, or maybe.
Oi.
But it's an easy process one.
Yeah.
They only eat the like the main green leaves, green food there is roro.
Roro.
Yeah, they call it tamboro or the pakia. They bring it, especially they make lolo with it.
Oi.
Oh, and the gang from Waitambu do the lolo. Even that fella Chiwa and Sheko, those two fellas, when they scrape the coconut, you can scrape 15 to 20 coconut.
Oi, one dish.
Yeah, one dish. Oh, and imagine when you eat it, very so cool. You have to watch out. Same time you eat, you wait for the warning.
Wanting to go to the toilet.
Yeah. Because that one, if you can wait for the warning, that one no warning. Same
Oi.
time, when your leg go like this, the thing come out.
Very dangerous.
Yeah, it's very slippery. That's why you have to eat it like this.
It's
But
slow.
for them, their system, it's normal.
Yeah, they're used to it.
Yeah, they used to. Myself, my system is the beginning, not the end. But I like it. Woo.
Oi. They do kinda different way there.
Yeah, coconut in different way.
Oi.
Coconut with coconut milk, the lolo. Yeah. Another one with the soy sauce, onion. Another one only the lemon
Oi.
and the chili. Ooh. But it was very nice. But I wish the lalande was there to make the fish michi with the lalande. Oh, this one goes with the fish.
Too good.
Very lovely. Oh shit, I think we'll get a lot of lalande today. Oh, it was a long time nobody come up here.
Hey.
It's a lalande. Rahasia serang. Ngaran rokon malia katu. Mau rokon tu nak ni rokon.
But they grow all year round, the lalambe.
Yeah.
Or it's like in season or...
No.
Oi.
They just grow.
Oi.
Like if you pick it up today, after 3 days time you come, another new one coming up.
Oi.
You can cut it, take it home, cook it. But this one, when you cook it, you don't full cook it.
Oi.
Yeah.
Just enough to make it a bit soft.
Yeah. Because when you eat it like this, it has to be crunchy.
Oi. Oi, that's the main part.
Yeah. See this kind, no, don't pick this one.
Oi.
This one very hard. See, the otamich is like this.
Oi.
Yeah.
Yo, I tasted it in Navu.
Yeah, it's like this.
Yeah.
But this one is the balambalas.
Oi.
Yeah. We have to be careful with the otamich when you pick it up.
We don't take them balambalas.
Yeah, sometimes you pick the balambalas. But balambalas is good for health.
Oi, you can eat balambal.
No,
Oi.
not me. I'm just saying for the people who eat the balambala. Woohoo! Hey, don't be like that. Oh, people. They don't feel our
People check up says that the lalambe, when you come up here, you can also find sometimes otamichi growing besides the lalambe. But today, I think the otamichi, we showed it with Uncle Bill. We did an episode about it in Namus or Serua. But this one is different. See here.
Yeah, see, this is the otamich.
Yeah.
This one.
You see that? Wait. See, that's the one we did with Uncle Bill.
Yeah. But this is the lalambe.
That's the tavale of the otamichi.
Yeah, that's the right word. The tavale of the otamich. That's the right word for it. Oh. Yeah, long time. Long time no one came up here. It's plenty lalambe. Levo tu vão andar dinheiro ali. Dinheiro ali como embete. Se não está de que de vão, mais tu vou com a. Eu não gosto de levo vão, vá. You pick the right one, so that when you eat it, oh, this one when you make the michi and a little bit tomatoes, onion, chili with it. Oh, put some salt and veggie, a little bit on it, lemon. By the time you eat finish, you want to go to heaven, sleep. Oh, see now plenty lalande coming. Oh, today you'll see the fun of eating the lalande. When you eat the lalande finish like this, you want to be the lambe too.
There. Well, I think the last time I tasted this was actually in Tailip at Tamaisemi's house. It was many years ago, man. I went there to visit him, and then we had ota lalambe. Really tasty, man. See these ones. Those are the best ones to harvest. This one is the best taste. One is like still soft, not yet fully grown out.
Then you take the beer leaf, cover the beer leaf. Yes, yeah. As you can see, this may be enough for us. If we can fit our stomach. Oh, see, very wonderful. Just like carrying one small baby. Green baby. Now, our lamb is very nice and ready. Yeah. Go take out the leaves like this. This. And when you reach the soft part where you can make this sound, that's the right part.
Oh.
And like that, and you boil the water. When the water is boiled, then you put it in just for 3-5 minutes, and you take it back out. After this, you'll see people will go and do the process about it. But now, you see the sun still coming up, and it's very shiny. Whoa! Not like that day that we went to the waterfall. The sun just came like this. After that, when don't know where the sun went to. And it was great and awesome.
People, we found some coconuts. Look. 2 is enough.
No.
Oh, you need to find more.
Yeah, I want to follow the gang from Lau. Like I want to make 10 or 20 coconuts.
Right. Get the system ready.
Hey, tell the system to be ready. But the one, we go same time we are going. Same time to us to go. Kakala mo. Meso soko.
Oh, you want it to be soaked, the meat?
Yeah. Soko, the meat. The meat of life. You go home and take out the husk. Suaka from the suaniniu.
Oh, so new.
Yeah, suaniu. Yeah, this new, eh?
Oh,
yeah, this new.
Oh. Yeah, that's new, eh?
Yeah.
You think of something else, man?
No. Because in Fiji, when you say suaniu, woo, there's plenty suaniu.
Plenty style.
Yeah, plenty style. Like this, the coconut style. Eh?
Oh.
I don't know. Plenty people do have their own style. Tarangalem style. This is the coconut. Oh, like breadfruit uto here. Wait.
Oh, some more there.
Yes. Jangan makan hanya bukan betul-betul. But here in Fiji, Namboro, there's plenty sun and plenty rain. That makes you bulan-bulas. There, this two belong to come up. For coconut is enough for it.
Yeah, for the system to get ready.
For the system to hold it, hold the pain after you eat it. And a few moments later, by that few moments later, you walk like this, make sure your legs don't split like this.
Oh.
You have to be very close. Same time split like this, boot. That's the time you'll drop everything. When it drops, you can't believe it that it drops.
Oh. You shock.
Yeah, you shock. Man, how did this one come out? Because your system wasn't ready for it.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, you just take 4 when you reach there, then you see. But this much lalande, I think it needs 4. Because the more coconut, the more the taste.
Oh.
Yeah. For the meat, the more the taste, and the more you have to watch out. After this, we are on our way up. Going to pick some lemon, the kumquat, the chili is already there. Now you're taking out the coconut husk. You scrape the coconut and make the meaty. And there goes your first coconut.
3 more to go.
Yeah, 3 more to go. But in white sample of Kemba, I think they can make 10 coconuts just for a lalanda.
Ui.
Yeah.
Every dish there are coconut milk.
Oh, every dish with a coconut milk, it's delicious to them.
Oi.
Unless and until if they want boiled foods, then they'll see.
Oi.
But when they do food with a coconut, anything goes with a coconut. Woo! The empty coconut will be there. Ah. But for us, only 4. That's the limited for our system.
You have to protect the system.
Yeah, protect the system. If you don't protect the system,
the system will not protect you.
The system will try to run away from your body. You sitting like this, you see your stomach running there, your pancreas. Scrape the coconut. You have to crack the coconut. Make sure you crack it in the right position, like this. You can see your face here, and your mouth. So you have to crack in between your face, so that you can have a nice line and the one shot here. There. See? As you can see, it's very cut into shape. Yeah, see, you can see the face there. Your face or somebody's face, you can name it, so that you can get the one shot. Yeah. Try them under
The juice.
Yeah, the juice of the coconut.
You won't get dogs.
No dogs here. Only the milk Nietzsche. That one will. Oh, but it's good for the stomach. Eh? It makes the stomach look alive. Yeah. And now from this coconut you will see that Mara. You eat this one, you'll go deaf.
Eh?
Yeah. But to some people, eh? Not to us. Yeah. So you can see the Vara. Tastes like barracuda. Yeah. This one. When you scrape the coconut for the meat, you have to be smooth with it. Yeah. Like this. Not like. Oh, that's what, like you're racing or what? Like this.
Oh, man, that's
to be gentle.
You can also see it from the pieces, eh?
Yeah, see?
When you scrape like that, the pieces.
See, when I do the first kind one, see this one.
Oh, that's my size.
Yeah. Oh, your size. Your size. Okay, now I know your size. Now we are about to take out the leaves from the stem, so that can easy for us to chew it and very crunchy. You have to do it like this. Take out the leaves like this. As you reach the part that can make this sound. There. Oh, then this one too. Ooh. Man, very delicious. Even myself too. After a long time, then I eat a lamb again because I used to stay in Suva
Oh,
with my wife. But every time I come, I always eat this one. It's very healthy for the body, for the stomach.
for the system.
Yeah, for the system, but only the system. This one is good for the system, but only the coconut milk. You have to watch out for that one. You have to make a limited amount of coconut
Oi.
that which your system can take it.
Yo.
Yeah. As you can see, for the top part, you take the knife and cut it into 2 pieces, or what they call
3-piece chicken.
3-piece chicken, maybe roast. Like this.
Oi.
Yeah, this is what I see from my grandmothers.
Oi.
Yeah, but now too it's used to for the gang nowadays.
Mm.
Like this. Cut it in. Yeah, see. As soon as you put your knife right in, it'll slide through all the way. See, all the way to South Africa. There. See? This.
Boy, you're very talented,
Yeah.
mate.
Yeah, learning from the grandmothers and from the mothers, aunties.
Oh.
Every time one function like this, I always stay in the kitchen
Oi.
so that I can see different types of food they do.
Oi.
Because one day you want to eat that food, you can make it out from yourself.
Yun. Oi.
No need to, miyato mo, nana, bumbu, tatay, miyato na. Lalambi ba kami, chirongon?
See people, if you meet him in town, just ask, hey, can you make me this dish?
No, in town. Town no lalambi na town. Hindi lalambi in town. Yeah, no, in town they have this in the market.
Yeah.
As you can see here, tanggal ni tanah. This is the dal tanah. What do you call the dal tanah in English?
Jindal.
Huh?
I don't know.
No, the chindam.
Eh?
Yeah. It's no. Yeah, maybe. Some people can call it a chindam. Yes. Scrape it like this, and you wash it and you cook it. By the time it will cook, it will start jumping. Now, we put in the boil water in it so that it can be cooked.
So it can be malumus.
Yeah. No, not full malumus.
Oi.
Like a little bit more. Ya katoka vango na mwana mbite kino mui kata karta.
Oi.
Ukla chui kuna kena. Kena
Just
malu.
stir it around until you.
Just stay like this. So that it can be overcooked.
Oi. Oh, it looks good
See
now.
the color?
Yes. Color changing.
Yeah. Oh, anggo. Very nice.
Mm.
Hey,
Hey.
I don't know if they're going to telephone. We have to take it. We have to marcus.
Oi. Get the water up.
Yeah. See? Now you have your lalambes.
Oi. Lalambes.
Lambes. Oh, the water is very hot. Before we used to just put it like this in the sun.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think to cook.
Oi. Back then, very hot.
Very
The
hot.
sun.
Now very cold. I think we're going close to North Pole now.
Time to make the meat.
Yeah. Time to make the meat. You have to make it well so that it can run well in your system. If no, just like I was saying, you'll need one emergency box. Yeah. To carry it around with you. Or if no, it's easy, you wear one diaper.
You, eh?
Yeah.
When you about to eat meat, you should wear your that.
Wakandu.
Just in case.
You know, yeah, when you in Waitambo, in Lakamba.
Oi. Oi, when you're in
Yeah.
love.
In love. No, because you come there, the system, no?
You, the system not used
Like
to
the system is still used to the super system.
the 2-3
Yeah,
coconuts.
2, 3
Eh?
coconuts. When you come there, you meet at 10, 15, 20. Yeah. That's where your system will be going like this, eh? Number one.
Number one.
Now, as you can see the coconut milk, which we call it in Kandawu, the coconut milk, but in Fiji, a lolo new, see the juice coming out of it,
Boy.
very white and milky. You have to, you know, throw the
Oi.
quota because to make the plant go green.
Oi. Oi. That's how you water the plant here.
Yeah, by the quota. Now we put in the salt. Little bit of salt. Little bit of red sin. Just for the taste. Make it better. If you want to add curry powder, you can add curry powder.
To the meat.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Oi.
Some
Yes.
people, they do it like that. Like meat surwa.
Oi.
Very loud. Right.
Set.
I think that's the right one. Now we have to pour it to the jug.
Boy, that's a lot of meat.
Hmm? Yeah. It has to be a lot of it.
But that's just not compared to lau. That's
No, like this, the medium one. Yeah. Lau, ooh. See, plenty meat. This is 4 coconuts. Now we cut the onion, see, cucumber, tomato, then. Now we cutting the onion. After this, then we have to peel the cucumber and then cut the tomato.
Where you want to go, you go. You come back same day, yeah? Tomorrow you go again.
tomatoes.
You call it in Fiji the tomata.
Oi, kandahu.
Kandahu the tomato.
Arotamanda.
This tomato we bring it too from the
From
forest there, up there.
Oi.
Yeah. But on our way back here, the tomato just automatic jump into the
Automatic.
back, yeah. When you see tomato in the forest, same time they'll jump.
The wild tomatoes.
Yeah, wild tomatoes. The wild tomata.
In Fijian, tomata.
Tomata. In English, the tomato. After this, after the tomata, you see the cucumber.
The cucumber.
Yeah, the cucumber.
Oi.
Very nice, eh?
Very nice, the cucumber.
Oh, see, good size, eh?
How's the taste?
Oh, very rough.
Oh, you have to be gentle when you eat the
You
cucumber.
have to be gentle.
Oh.
One wrong move, makan dua todo koloma. And the eyes will be going open and close, open and close. Lovely. Now it's time for the tomata, the cucumber. Time to peel the cucumber.
Oi.
Yeah,
And after that, the chili.
yeah, it's the chili.
Oi. In Fijian,
And the chili in Fijian, the rocket firecracker.
firecracker. Oi.
Yeah.
Oi.
In Indian pataka. Oh, this chili too, very very hot when you eat.
Oi.
When you eat this chili, you have to no ice water standby.
Oi, ice water standby.
Yeah. If no, you look for the air. To do it like that, no?
Oi. You're very good at handling the cucumber.
Cucumber. This cucumber too. Yeah. To make that taste.
Oi.
There's one taste, no, when you eat the cucumber direct, so that makes your mouth like
Watering.
no water in the saliva. Kami dapat tunggu nak kali kombe tu.
Oi.
Sana ikut kanin bos suruh kombe tu. Kau mana style mana tak kena metun kombe.
Oi. Don't comes.
Don't combes. Because after the combe you lambes.
I think you lost it.
No loss yet. No, that one will same time. The meat inside the loss come. Same time the meat you want to run out. And that time you won't expect it when it to come out. It's better you stand up silently and go to the toilet. But it's good to eat meat before drinking grog. I heard.
Yeah, that's what I heard as well. But how's your experience in Laos when you eat meat and then grog?
Oh, every day running stomach.
Oh, every day?
Yeah.
Oi. Because your system is
Yeah.
not up to
Still
date.
new,
Eh?
eh?
You.
If I went there for 3 months, 4 months, and my system will get used to it, oh, maybe I can eat more than 20 coconuts.
Oh. Boy. Imagine them, eh?
Yeah. When they eat like this, after then they drink the lot again, the meat.
Oh, they drink the meat.
Yeah. I said, whoop! No! I went like this to my boy, hey, watch out.
Watch out.
Yeah.
You look there, them drink meat, your system telling you, no, don't do
No.
it.
Don't do it. You just eat mananga. Yeah. You drink the meat. Very sorry, my boy. This one will have to go out anytime. You have to be expect the unexpected. It's better you wear a diaper. See the cucumber? Yeah. Oh. This is the cucumber. The cucumber. Of cucumber.
Okay, people, let's taste the cucumber.
Yeah.
But cucumber.
Yeah. Watch out, that one very slippery.
Boy, cucumber is very...
Very different.
Where the cow?
Now it's time for the chili.
The firecracker in Fijian.
Yeah, firecracker.
Come. Come in.
Oh, this firecracker too.
Yeah, your mama. Come here today.
Don't eat too much. Your system, for the system too.
No, it's good for the system.
Oh, it's good for the system.
Look, all the coal inside.
Oi,
You don't know. This one will take it out.
oi. COVID,
COVID,
mataka.
matitaka,
Oi.
Cuisine,
Oi, Sidini, bullet too.
bullet too. Oh, this
Oi.
one good for the bullet.
Oi.
This one bullet, you don't eat it. You put it around where the dog is.
Oi, that's the number one cure to
Number
bullet.
one cure, no more prevention. Same time, the bullet will leave you, never want to come back. When the bullet leave you, only your thought will be painful for 2 days. Now we add a little bit of salt.
Yeah, salt.
Wetching, just to make it
Salt.
salty and wetty. To make the cucumber really wet. See, now mixing the tomato, cucumber, onion, and the chili. Oh, even the smell, you can feel it.
Mm-mm.
Yeah?
Yeah, no.
So yeah,
Come here.
I wish my yada from Motorik was here to taste this one.
Okay.
Oh, even this chili too. And this one is smelling really hot now. Give it a try. Try them under the cucumber
Cucumber.
and the tomato.
Let's try, people. What? Too good, man.
Now people, as you can see, the lalambe wakamichi. And here's the lalambe. There, as you can see the sultana, dalonitana, what you can call the tomato, cucumber, onion, and this is the michi. The chini tuna, the sunbell, where you can, if you, it's up to you, want sunbell. See the lemon here, the camcorder. Want some, it's up to you. Okay, now we are about to begin the journey of eating.
Okay.
Okay, people. Very unlucky if you're watching, but very soon we have to eat it. It's our juice. Oh, just like in the restaurant. Yeah. Why? Nada mga. Now.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, Ure will say the grace today.
Masuk. Mas turun di bawah kakan setengah. Bagaimana kakan lalu masuk di surga. Amin.
Marco. There, see the tomato? Yes. Do it like that. In the fancy way, or what you can call it. There. See the mirchi? The mirchi. And the cucumber. And the tomato. Oh, see the sunbell, the chini tuna. They call it in Fiji, the chini tuna. Yeah, just do a little smell. Just take up the smell of it. Yeah, see that kumquat. Oh, very lovely. Wow. There.
Wow.
Sakalova ako rin sa sinichi ko ba't kay Kenta na singinday. Oh, some chili. Yes, chili. You have to chili. Ayun na ko ka. Right. Baltana there.
Taste.
Huh?
Taste.
Oh, taste. Okay, let me see, man. What is this say?
Taste the green, don't taste the fish.
Wait.
Yeah.
I thought to taste it all. But, yes. Number one, man.
Number one.
See the tomato. It is a cucumber. And the daltana here. Very lovely.
Let's
Aku
taste.
dia di rawa.
Kalau kalau tangan orang kulina. Sudah tukar the menu lah sini. Enak.
Kopi ko ba suruh coba na kanila tambah chico.
Oi.
That was it too.
Siapa tin kalau aku cuci kau?
With the meat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Huh? Hey, what happened?
system says it's okay.
Oi.
Not too
Kopi
much.
umbi chuna mi chiben kana umbi. Esulu.
Not too much coconut. But it's good, people, man. I actually prefer this.
How many coconut?
4.
Oh, picky.
I prefer this kind of wild fern compared to the other.